Hi class, Miss Nelson again. I just want to go over the Getting Started assignment with you and just to clarify it for you and show you how you're going to be turning in your assignments in weeks 2 through 5. Okay, so the first thing that you need is you need to download this auditor calculator. Okay, and here's the information on it. Here's the link to get it downloaded, and it is free. I'm not sure if it will download to a Mac, and so if it doesn't, then go ahead, go online and just do a search for auditor calculator for Mac, and you should be able to find something. Okay, you're also going to need Adobe Reader, and again down here at the bottom I have instructions on how to get to Adobe and how to download and install it, and again this is free. Okay, so to show you how you're going to do your assignments, I'm going to go to the week 2 assignment. Okay, and so when I look at lesson 2, it says lesson 2, read page 16 and complete calculations 1 through 24 on page 17. So if I open up lesson 2, okay, I'm going to want to rename it. I'm going to want to do a save as and rename this. So please rename it the same name, the lesson 2 decimals and addition, but put your name in front of it so that I can easily see whose document I'm looking at. Okay, and then I'm going into Adobe, and I'm going to open the file I just saved. Okay, and so now this is open in Adobe. And so what I want you to do is read everything on page 16, and then you'll do the exercises on page 17. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate to you now the practice problems. So what you will want to do is you'll want to calculate, you'll want to add the first column, and then you'll type your answer at the bottom. Then you'll add the second column and you'll type the answer at the bottom. When you're done, the reason that we're using this auditor calculator is because it's going to keep a tape of everything that you add together. Okay, and so what you're going to do when you're done with all of your problems that you're working on, you're going to copy the tape from your auditor calculator and you're going to paste it into this PDF, and then you will attach this PDF to the assignment in La Lima. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you. So I have Adobe, and I want to add together columns 1. So I'm going to come over to my auditor calculator, and I'm going to start adding together that column. So it's 1.17 plus 6.21. So I'm doing this on my keyboard, and it's showing up in the auditor calculator. 9.3 plus. Okay, and then when I'm done with the column, I hit enter, and that will give me my total. So now what I can do is I can come back over into Adobe, and if I come up here to the top, if I select sign, and then I select add text, I can come over here under column 1 and I can type 29.49. Okay. So now I want to keep practicing. I don't want to clear my tape. I want to clear my addition so it doesn't keep adding to it, but I want to keep running one long tape until I'm done with all of my columns. Okay, so to get to 0 so that I can start over on column 2, I'm just going to hit my enter key. Okay, and you can see that zeroed everything out. So now I'm going to type column 2 and type 405 plus 8.25 plus. Okay, so then when I'm done, I hit enter. And I come back over to Adobe, and I have my add text. And come under column 2, and I'm going to type 34.37. Okay, so when I'm all done, when I've gone through all of my columns, I want to copy and paste the entire tape. Okay, so I'm going to come over to my auditor calculator, and if you go to edit, if you go down to where it says tape copy and you say copy all, okay, then you want to come over to Adobe, and you're going to want to paste it. But in order to do that, you have to have the hand tool visible. And so, where is that? Oh shoot, I forgot where this is. Just bear with me, I'll find it. Okay, I'm under View, and I'm going to Show Hide. And then I come to Toolbar Items. No, I don't. Oh, okay, so yeah, I go to Toolbar Items, and then I go to Select and Zoom, and then I go to Hand Tool. Okay, so it's View, Show Hide, Toolbar Items, Select and Zoom, and then Hand Tool. Okay, so now I have my Hand Tool. Okay, so I already did the copy from the auditor calculator, so now I'm going to go into Adobe, and I'm going to say paste. And that didn't work. Great. Okay, let me try this again. So I'm going to my auditor calculator, edit, tape copy, copy all, and then I come over here and I click on paste. Why isn't this working? I've done this a million times. Tape copy, copy all. Paste. Okay, there it is. I don't know what happened. Okay. Whew. I was getting scared there. Okay, so now I pasted it, and it's just there on the top of my page. So I leave blank pages in these PDFs. So when you go to when you copy your tape, you can just pull it down to your blank page. Okay, so then that way I can see that you did actually run the tapes, and you should run them twice. Okay, that's common accounting and auditing standard, that you always double check your numbers. Okay, so that's how you're going to be completing your lessons in the weeks 2 through 5. So make sure that once you have your tape and your answers typed into your PDF, that you do a file save again. And I'm going to save it to the same place. Okay, and then you'll take this and you'll take that file and you'll attach it to the assignment in Laulima. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and good luck. Thank you.